Your YouTube short doesn't just get thrown out to everyone at once. Instead, it travels through 3 different distribution waves. At each wave, your video gets tested, perform well, and YouTube keeps pushing it, fall short, and that's where the growth stops. The first wave is the easiest to enter. To reach 500 views, all you need is a clear video, crisp audio, and strong metadata. That means a solid title, description, and tags, so YouTube knows exactly what your video is about. But to push past 1,500 and move into Wave 2, your retention needs to hold up. Aim for 40 to 50% average view duration and 40 to 50% viewers staying until the end. Hit that, and YouTube says, okay, people are actually watching this, and your short keeps moving forward. Now your short is being tested with a much wider audience. This is where things get a little tougher. To keep the momentum, you'll need over 60% average view duration, 60% of viewers staying through, and at least a 3% like-to-view ratio. Get those numbers right, and YouTube will keep pushing your video out, sometimes all the way up to 12,000 views or more. This is the real testing ground, the viral checkpoint. Your short is now reaching a huge audience, and if your stats slip, this is where it stalls out. To break through, you'll need around 90% average view duration, at least 75% staying until the end, 5% or more like-to-view ratio, and here's the kicker, at least 1% of viewers dropping comments. Without that engagement, YouTube pulls back. With it, you enter the viral loop, where your short can explode way past 25,000 views. I've seen this happen with my own shorts. One hit the right stats around 12,000 views, and it just kept growing. Another got stuck at 25K because the comments weren't there. That's the difference. So now you know, shorts don't just go viral by luck. They pass through these waves, and it's your job to hit the right metrics at each level. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.